Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. We are so happy that you're here today.
Yes, welcome. Today's episode is special because we're talking about daily English. This means the English you hear and use every day.
Exactly. These are simple words and phrases that people use in normal life, in the street, in shops, at school, or at work.
Sometimes learners focus only on grammar or long words, but really, daily English is what helps you speak and understand people in real life.
Let's begin with greetings. Repeat after us. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Great. And don't forget, people also say, "How are you?" or "How's it going?"
The answers can be simple. I'm fine. I'm good. I'm okay. Not bad.
Let's practice. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How's it going? I'm good, thanks.
Perfect. Now let's move to polite words. These are very important in daily English. Repeat after us. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. Sorry. Excuse me.
Example sentences. Can I have some water, please? Thank you for your help. Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Excellent. Polite words make conversations easier and friendlier.
Yes, and you hear them every day in English-speaking countries.
Now let's talk about shopping. Common words are shop, store, price, cheap, expensive, cashier, bag.
Sentences. How much is this? Can I pay by card? I need a bag, please.
Imagine you are in a shop. Repeat after us. Excuse me, how much is this shirt? It's too expensive. Do you have this in blue?
Great practice.
Another area of daily English is food and eating. Words are breakfast, lunch, dinner, hungry, thirsty, water, bread, coffee, tea.
Example sentences. I'm hungry. Can I have a coffee, please? What's for dinner?
Do you usually eat breakfast at home or outside?
I usually eat at home. Just something simple, like bread and tea.
Same here. But when I travel, I love to try breakfast in cafes.
That's fun. And again, it's daily English. You can say, "Can I have a sandwich?" or "One coffee, please."
Let's practice. Repeat after us. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'd like some water, please.
Perfect. Another important part of daily English is travel. Words are bus, train, ticket, stop, late, on time.
Sentences. Where is the bus stop? I need a ticket, please. The train is late. Do you often take public transport?
Yes, almost every day. It's cheap and fast.
Me too. And I always listen to English podcasts on the bus.
Nice tip for learners. Use your travel time to practice English.
Let's give some daily English for home life. Words are bed, shower, clothes, clean, cook, sleep, wake up.
Example sentences. I wake up at 7. I take a shower. I cook dinner.
Let's practice a mini daily routine. Repeat after us. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I go to school. I eat dinner. I go to bed.
Great job. This is very useful daily English.
Another thing we should talk about is feelings. Words are happy, sad, tired, excited, angry.
Example sentences. I'm happy today. I'm tired after school. I'm excited for the weekend.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. I'm happy. I'm tired. I'm excited.
Fantastic.
Finally, small talk. This is daily English when you meet someone and talk for a short time. Phrases are nice to meet you, how's the weather, see you later.
Example conversations. Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. And you? I'm good. Nice weather today.
Yes, very simple, but this is real English.
Yes. Let's practice one more time. Repeat after us. Nice to meet you. See you later. Have a good day.
Wonderful.
So today we learned greetings, polite words, shopping, food, travel, home life, feelings, and small talk.
This is the daily English you must know. With these words and phrases, you can survive in most situations.
Exactly. Now it's time to finish today's lesson.
Thank you for listening. We hope you learned something useful.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and share with your friends.
That way, you can keep learning English with us every week.
Take care and see you next time.
Bye for now.